Hello all, and welcome to KMT. Did your brand new iPhone just stop charging? Or were you in the middle of recording an amazing new TikTok video? Don't worry. In this video, we will go over 5 reasons why your iPhone is probably not charging and get your iPhone working like new again. And stay tuned to the end for a bonus tip. Reason number 1. Try a different charging cable. Sometimes charging cables fray and stop working over time. Simply try plugging in another Apple device and see if it charges the device or not. This will rule out if it's a bad cable or not. Reason number 2. A faulty charging brick. Test the charging brick, as it also could be faulty. Just swap it out with another charger you have laying around the house, or try plugging in your iPhone to a computer using just the charging cable. Reason number 3. A software issue. You may need to reset the software on your iPhone to get it charging again. So, on modern day iPhones without a physical home button, with the iPhone plugged in, click the volume down button and sleep or wake button at the same time for about 15 seconds and see if it powers on. If you have an older iPhone with the physical home button and an aux port, it's pretty much the same procedure, except you hold down the home button and the sleep or wake button for 15 seconds while it's plugged in. Reason number 4. A dirty charging port. Clean out any dust or lint that may be stuck in the charging port. This may deter the charger from making contact with your iPhone to begin charging. Don't try sticking random objects in the charging port. Simply purchase some compressed air and blow out any debris in the charging port. Bonus tip. If you don't have any compressed air laying around at home, use a new, not used, toothbrush and stick the bristles into the charging port to clean it out. Thank you for watching KMT. If this video helped you out, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below.